Hey guys, Michael with Lawn Enforcement here. I was sitting around the house today. I got a phone call from one of my customers, and she said, actually she texted me. And she said, hey, I was wondering if you can come over and cut my grass this week. I said, yes ma'am, I absolutely can. Then I texted her back 5 minutes later and I said, is it okay to come today? She said, yeah, that's fine with me. So here I am, loaded up, on the way, going to make some money today, going to cut some grass. It is January 7th, Monday, and man, I'm excited. I know it's not the start of the year by any means, but I'm excited. I'm ready to cut some grass. Hopefully I can get some good footage today. Maybe not, I don't know. I'm still new at it. I don't even have probably the right camera set up to get everything done right. I don't even have a tripod, so I don't know. We'll have to see. But I'm just excited to be going to cut some grass. I didn't take my new trailer with me today, as you can see behind me. I just got my open trailer. I don't know. I'm going to a small neighborhood, and well, I'm actually going to cut 2 yards today. And one of them is an extremely small neighborhood, and I didn't want to bring it out there just yet. I didn't have the cones with me, and I wanted to make sure when I went to this particular neighborhood I had the cones, because I don't understand. Some of these streets are so narrow, it's unbelievable. So I'm going to have to figure something out with that, because I definitely want to use my enclosed trailer every single day. I don't want to have to be switching back and forth between, you know, my open trailer and my enclosed trailer. I bought the enclosed trailer for a reason. I'm starting to get everything in it, and you know, I had to go take stuff out of my enclosed trailer to put on my open trailer, which is crazy if you ask me. I just spent a lot of money on an enclosed trailer. I'd like to be able to use the enclosed trailer, you know. But anyway. I got my ItsHISTurf shirt on. He's an awesome guy. He's trying to grow his YouTube channel too. He sent me these shirts in, yeah, a little, like, I got them like the day after Christmas, so huge shout out to ItsHISTurf. Thank you so much for the shirts, hugely appreciated. I wanted to get a haircut before I shot my first visual video, but what you gonna do? It's Monday. Nobody cuts hair on Monday, so got the call to go cut grass today. It is what it is. We all men here. Maybe there's some females, I don't know, but I like to stay fresh. I don't like my customers to see me looking scraggly, but what you gonna do? Technically it's the off season anyway, so yeah, we'll see. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Let me know down in the comments below. Is anybody cutting grass today? Y'all get any phone calls like me? Are y'all excited for the season to start back up? Is anybody going to be posting any lawn care setup videos for 2019? Y'all get anything new? Let me know. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.